Hey, so in today's video, I'm going to give you a fantastic adult-only post-workout drink. I stress, this is adult only. If you're in Canada 19 plus or in the States 21 plus, this drink is for you. So we're going to start with a little bit of Bailey's as well as some rum. We're going to get then some ice cubes with some ice cream. Not much, but a little. And then we're going to go over to some nice honey, a glass of milk, and 2 bananas. Now, just a quick lesson really quickly for our American friends, because every time I go down there, they actually don't know this. In Canada, you can actually drink alcohol at the age of 19, while in the States, it's only at the age of 21. And then in Quebec, which we don't live anywhere close to, it's actually the legal age is 18, which is crazy. I remember back in college, high school days, I had a lot of friends who had cars, and had cars that could go the distance. And they actually went to Quebec every once in a while on the weekend and drank because they were 18. So yeah, let's get down to this drink. We've already got the bananas in the blender. We're gonna now add the milk. We're now gonna go over to the ice cream so I can put the rest of the ice cream away, because it is an absolutely ridiculously hot day outside. It's already somewhat melted. You're gonna put a big scoop in there, and then a half a scoop, and then you're gonna go and take a mouthful of another scoop. Now we're going to go over, get a totally different spoon. We're going to get a tablespoon of honey. Now honey is great for post-workout, same as bananas. This is all pretty good for post-workout. Obviously, the ice cream and the Bailey's rum isn't exactly great for calories or fat, but ice cream does have a little bit of protein, I'm not going to lie. And bananas are great for potassium. And the reason why bananas are great for potassium is because it rehydrates your muscles so you don't get cramps and things like that. Now we're going to add the ice cubes. Now we're going to add in a little bit of rum. So we're going to go with 2 splashes of rum. That's 1 splash. That's 2 splash. And now we're going to add in about 1.5 to 2 ounces of Bailey's, which is roughly about there. And now we're going to mix it all together. Now remember, drive safely, don't drink and drive, and also drink safely. You don't want to be tipsy too much. You might fall down and break your hip. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes absolutely amazing. This is a great drink. Remember, adults only, kids don't get any ideas. I hope that you've enjoyed. If you have, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in our next video.